Marami pong criminology student ang nalilito kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng homicide at saka murder. Kahapon may tanong po tayo regarding sa topic na ito. Ito po ang tanong natin. What is the unlawful killing of a human being with malicious intent? Letter A, murder. Letter B, homicide. Letter C, serial murder. And letter D, parricide. Ano ang sagot mo sa tanong na to? I give you 3 seconds para i-comment ang iyong sagot. Tignan natin kung katama ka. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ang sagot po natin sa tanong natin ay letter B, homicide. Take note, parehas po na ang murder at homicide ay under felony po. Therefore, both murder and homicide ay may intent to kill. So ngayon, ano pong pagkakaiba ng murder at homicide? Nagkakatalo po sila sa tinatawag natin na qualifying aggravating circumstances. When we say qualifying circumstances, these are the circumstances which changes the nature of the crime. Ang crime of murder ay matatagpuan po sa Article 248 of the Revised Penal Code. Pag sinabi nating murder, ito po yung pagpatay sa tao with intent to kill syempre and with the presence of qualifying circumstances. Matatawag po na murder ang crime of killing kung in the commission of the crime is attended by any of the following circumstances. With treachery, taking advantage of superior strength, with the aid of armed men, employing means to weaken the defense, employing means or persons to ensure or afford impunity, in consideration of price, reward, or promise, by means of inundation, fire, poison, explosion, shipwreck, stranding of a vessel, derailment or assault upon a railroad, fall of an airship or motor vehicle, or by the use of any other means involving great waves or rowing, or on the occasion of calamities, earthquake, eruption of volcano, destructive cyclone, epidemic, or any other public calamity, or with evident premeditation, with cruelty, or by outraging or scooping at the person or corpse of a person. Kung ang crime of killing is not attended by any ng mga nabanggit nating circumstances, then the crime may be homicide. Ang homicide po ay may intent to kill po. Take note, intent to kill is presumed when death is resulted. Ayan po ang pagkakaiba ng murder at homicide. Kung ang killing ay may qualifying circumstances, then the crime is murder. Kung ang crime of killing is not attended ng qualifying circumstances, then the crime is homicide. But take note na ang crime of homicide and murder ay kailangan hindi po sila papasok sa parricide or infanticide. Sa ating next video, i-discuss po natin kung ano po ang pinagkaiba ng parricide at infanticide. So yan lang po ang ating topic ngayon. See you on my next video. Thank you and God bless you.